Hi, my name is Ray Edwards. I'm the CEO and founder of a company called PureTech Inc. We're based in Irvine, California. And I'm super excited to be here at the Family Office Summit in San Francisco. And I'll tell you why. It's because us as a small, early stage tech company, we're always in the marketplace looking for strategic partners, but also investors, folks that understand our mission, our technology, and want to help support our growth. I'm super fired up about being a part of the Family Office Club. We joined as members this month, and I can't tell you how exciting it's been to be in a room full of qualified professional investors that come from all walks and sectors of life, that are fully supportive and looking for great deal flow. So for us, being here is all about understanding the mentality and psychology of a family office from the inside, which means that I don't make stupid offers and stupid pitches to the wrong people anymore, right? We're super excited to be part of the Family Office Club family and looking forward to participating at all the events in the future. The membership has been more than worth it, and we're looking forward to being a permanent member here at Family Office Club. Cheers.